Introducing the 2022 Skoda Octavia Style 1.0tsi 110HP in stylish grey. This saloon is not just a car, it's an experience. Packed with features like air conditioning, Bluetooth and satellite navigation, every drive will be a pleasure. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. The interior is luxurious with a load cover and luxury trim. Plus, the chrome package adds to the sleek styling. This vehicle also features a stop and start system for improved fuel efficiency and a spare wheel for peace of mind. Rest assured, it has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Visit spiritskoda.ie or call now for more information. Drive in style and safety with the Skoda Octavia Style 1.0 TSI.